Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be our 10th lecture and here I will teach you how to make a beautiful dashboard. So let's start. First of all, I will set my colors and after that I just have to apply these colors in my designing. So let's go to my color XML and I have already three colors here. And I'll just simply copy them and paste them. Yeah, it's done. I have got all the three colors and I'll use them in my designing now. This is blue is the primary, this is the color primary dark, and this is the color accent. Let's start. Let me set the background by the color primary, blue color, and let's create a linear layout with the match parent and 100 dp height. And inside this linear layout I will choose the background here by the color primary dark. Okay, and the orientation, first the orientation here will be horizontal, and inside this I will use any image. You can use the image of your choice, and I will choose its width and height by say 70 dp, and this is also 70 dp with the margin left by 10 dp and margin top by 10 dp as well. Okay, it's almost at a perfect place, and I will choose my image by, okay, I have this image in my drawable here on this Dr. New. If you want, you can choose the image of your choice as per the requirement of the app, and I will just simply write the name of my app, okay, or anything that I want to display in the dashboard. So it will be, its width will be the match parent and its height will be the wrap content. And in this I will add some text that is, I'll say my online doctor. This is going to be its name. I will choose its text size by 25 dp and its color will be white itself, and its styling, text style will be bold, and of course I will choose the font family cursive with a margin top of 10-20 dp. Absolutely fine. Okay, this is our dashboard. Okay, let me choose it by say 25 dp. Yeah. Now I will create some, here will be one button, another button that will display some another activities. So let's create a button here. I'll choose a circular button. I always like the circular buttons, so I'm gonna create a new XML file inside my drawable folder. So right click in the drawable folder and choose a drawable resource file, and I will name it by the circle button. It's not taking the camel case. Drawable always take the name of the file as the lowercase small letters. Now in this selector I will choose an item. Okay, and inside this item I'll create a shape of this item. Oops, shape, and its shape will be Android shape. It's oval, and I will close it, and inside the shape the next thing I need is here is the solid will take the color. I will choose the primary dark. I will close it. I need the stroke here. Right here. Stroke. Android color, again the primary dark, and I will close it. Yeah, fine. Our button is ready, and I will just call it in my activity here. So for this, I'll create a linear layout again with a match parent width and a wrap content and a 200 dp height. And in this wrap content, I will choose its margin top by 100 dp. Okay, and here I will create a button and it's 150 dp width, and its height will again be 150 dp. And inside this button, I will choose the background of this button by the color at the rate of drawable circle. Fine. Okay, and I will create another button here. Okay, with the margin, this will have some margins. Margin left by say 20 dp, 25 dp, and this will have the margin left by 50 dp, 30 dp. Okay, and then in the same way I'll create another linear layout. Okay, just copy this whole guy, paste, and the height will be here just 20 dp or 10 dp. It's great. And all I need is to do the naming. There's a text here. Say this text is about my medicines. This is the medical app. This will be its text color. Will be text color. It will be white. Again here, text will be something, say appointment. Instead, I kind of created the button here. If you want, you can use some icons here from the internet, or create your icons from some Photoshop. Text color is again hash. Okay, let me copy this again for the rest two buttons. Let me do it quick. And here it will be doctor, and this say about us or about the app. Okay, if you can see, my app is kind of ready. This is my simplest and a beautiful dashboard. I think I should keep it as to 30 dp. No, not here. Margin top here, 30 dp. Let me run this with my emulator. Let's see how it looks like. Maybe I need some change depending upon the pixels of my screen. Come on. And I'll show you like this. Oh yeah, spelling mistake. It's appointment. Oh, actually it's showing me the previous activity. What I have to do here is go to the manifest and just swap the activity. Now rerun it. Okay, here it is. A beautiful dashboard, simple with beautiful colors in it. If you want, you can make the changes of your own choice. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for the amazing contents. Take care.